Yeah, as a senator of the great county of Nyamira, I also take this opportunity to convey my message of condolences on the sudden and untimely death of our leader, ODM, Honorable Raila Odinga, to the family, Senator Oburu, Honorable Ruth Odinga, Honorable Winnie, the children Rosemary and Junior. I want to say pole to the family. This is a big loss to the country, Kenya. It's a big loss to the East African region. It's a big loss to Africa to lose a person of Raila's stature, a man who has been dominating Kenya's politics in the last 4 decades. I pray that the Almighty God will strengthen the family so that they can bear the loss with gratitude. And we, as fellow politicians, we will stand with the family during these very trying moments. To the people of Nyanza, poleni sana.